Hi, nice to meet you guys. Today I will introduce a set of 500-liter distilling equipment for you. And you can use this equipment for produce rum, whiskey, brandy, gin, and other spirits. And generally it has a 500-liter boiler, a whiskey pyramid, a gin basket, lamp-plant corners, gas regulator, and condenser cooler, spirit outlet, stand holder, and collection tank. Okay, next I will introduce you one by one. First, let's move to the boiler part. You can see this is a copper mat boiler, and bring the lens closer so you can have a close look. It's very nice, just like handicraft, right? Okay, if you like the smooth, polished effect, we can also do that. And we will configure a temperature gauge mixture, a pressure gauge, a safety valve, a satellite, and in the middle of the boiler, we will configure a manhole. This is a whole glass manhole, so you can see the inside very clearly. And also you can etch your logo in the glass. It's very cool, right? Okay, we can open this manhole to see the inside. You can see it feels very weird, and this is a mixture. This is a three-layer boiler, inside and an insulation layer, and out. And this is washer. The washer is planted, and we will configure a pressure gauge and a safety valve to test the pressure. Okay. Then let's move to the outlet. This is a dry valve to dry the residue. You can see we do a very large outlet, so you can dry the residue after distillation easily. Okay, on the top of the boiler, we configure there is a pyramid. We have all shapes of pyramid for your choice, and we will configure a satellite, a temperature gauge, and a CRT board. The next part is a gin basket. This is a stainless steel gin basket. We can also do a copper one or do a glass one. And the inside is a steel basket, so you can put your botanicals into the gin basket. Okay. And the next part is the copper corner. There are in total 9 plant corners. In each plant of corners, we will configure a bubble plant. These are the bubble caps, and this is the bubble plant. They are all made by T2 high quality copper, very nice. Each plant we will configure a backer. You can through adjusting the backers to open or close the corner. If you want to produce whiskey, then 4 plant corner is okay. If you want to produce brandy, then 2 or 3 plants is okay. If you want to produce rum, then 6 or 8 plant corner is okay. If you want to produce vodka, then you can use all the plant corners. And on the side, there is a side card. It's optional according to your choice. And we will configure CRT board for each plant of corner for cleaning. Okay. On the top of the corner, there is a gas regulator cooler. It's used for cooling. And this is also the condenser cooler. The function is the same as the gas regulator. It's also for cooling. The inside is tube cemented. And the vapor will go through the column and then cool through the condenser and out through the spirit alternate. This spirit alternate is made by copper, glass, and stainless steel. The inside we will configure an alcohol meter to test the alcohol concentration. And the bottom is a sample valve, so you can take the samples. And the spirit out from the spirit alternate, you can choose it to different spirit collection types. For example, you can adjust the three-way valve to match the spirit to the spirit head, spirit heart, and spirit tail. And there is a water collection tank, so you can collect the water for cleaning. And on each collection tank, we will configure a liquid lever switch, a butterfly valve, and a vent valve. Okay, after a general introduction for each part, let's see the back. Of the pipe connection. It's a multifunctional sphere. On the top of the boiler, the sinking is the pipe, vapor pipe. On each vapor pipe connection, there is a three-way valve. Let's see it close. There are three arrows on the three-way valve. The side without arrow means the vapor can't go through this side. We can adjust the three-way valve for distilling different spirits. For example, if the vapor goes through to the condenser directly, you can use it as a pot stir for drinking rum. Okay. If the vapor goes through the non-plant column and then to the condenser, you can use it to produce rum, whiskey, brandy, vodka, for refined spirits. If the vapor goes through the gin basket and then to the condenser, you can use it as a gin pot stir. If the vapor goes through the gin basket and then to the non-plant column, and then to the condenser, you can use it to produce gin. And you can see the neatly arranged pipes. They are CRT pipes. Each pipe we will configure a ball valve. On the side of the bottom, there are return pipes. And this is a CIP board, a CIP pump for cleaning. This boiler is a steam heated boiler. We can also have other options like electric heating and gas heating. Okay, that's all my introductions. See you guys